All right, guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about the International that I have right behind me. Yes, I said it, an International. I had a person reach out to me and left me a comment on how to replace the shock on his hood. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to pound those videos that you like and love. And if you have any questions or something I haven't done, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. And I want content coming your way to save that money. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's hop right into this. One tool you're gonna need and a helping hand, or if not, a trash can with a plank of wood or cardboard. I prefer an extra hand if you have one laying around because it'll just move easy and smooth. So what we're gonna do right now is let's hop right into this by taking the hood shock off. Well, I'm gonna show you because I don't have one to do, but this is an International, so we're gonna go through the steps. And all you need is a pair of pliers. I'm using a needle nose pair of pliers, which I'm gonna show you. And then it's 2 cotter pins and 2 pins that you pull out and it falls right out. Very easy. So let's hop right into this, guys. So here's the pair of pliers I'm gonna use, a needle nose flathead tip, right? So I can grab the cotter pin. Before I do this, I did grab one of my comrades to help me. He's gonna hold the front of the hood open and I'm gonna tell him to push up or let down so I can pull out the cotter pin as well as the pin. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop on this tire. Make sure you guys keep yourself, center balance. Don't hit any, fall on anything. So what you wanna do is stay on the stable parts. So right here on top of the radiator is where I'm gonna lean over. And I'm gonna have my comrade push the hood up just a little so I can get those pins out. So let's hop right into it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the lower cotter pin. And as you look at it, you just twist, pull right out, very easy. If anything, just put the cotter pins where you don't lose it. And then the next one on top, do the same thing, you pull and twist, and pops right out. Just that easy. And then, now the next thing I'm gonna do is, hey Vic, push the hood up forward a little. All right. As he pulls the hood, push the hood up towards me. Nope, that's it, Vic, right there. And then I work the shock out, just like that. So easy. And do the same thing, you put the new one back in it. So, and as you guys can see, this is a leaking one, but we're not gonna repair it. I was asked not to. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the shock back into place. So I start on the bottom. I'm gonna work this back into place, just like so. Put the pin in, and then I'm gonna push the shock out, just like so. And if you can't reach, hey Vic, go ahead and slowly close. Right there, stop. Close, oh no, you're drifting. Come forward, forward. There you go. All right, let down. And that's it. And you grab your cotter pins, and it's very easy. Just slide those back on. That's one. And then the last one, I'll put in just like so. There you go. That easy. All right, cotter pins are back in and the poles are back in. It's that easy to do an International hood shock. All right, guys, as you saw, it was very easy. 2 cotter pins, 2 pins, in and out, easy peasy lemon squeezy, and you're gonna save money. Because if you went to any other shop, that would be an hour minimum, maybe 2. So you guys can definitely do this with a friend or have your tallest kid hold up the hood. I hope that you like what you saw today. Don't forget to pound that like button. If you had any questions or concerns of what you saw today, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm here for you to save some money. See you guys around at the next video.